Looking for the ultimate action camera experience in 2025? Our honest GoPro Hero 13 Black review reveals why this camera, especially with its game-changing accessories, is still the top choice for adventurers and creators. While not a massive leap from the Hero 12, the Hero 13 Black truly shines with its incredible new lens mods: macro, ultra-wide, ND, and anamorphic, unlocking cinematic possibilities you wouldn't believe from such a compact device. This 2025 Editor's Choice winner boasts excellent video and photo quality, a useful front-facing screen, and a redesigned Enduro battery for improved runtime, so you never miss a shot. We were genuinely surprised by the innovative magnetic latch mount and the waterproof Contacto battery door, making mounting in continuous power easier than ever. However, we have to be real. Its low-light performance remains a significant drawback for night shooting. For serious videographers and casual users alike, the Hero 13 Black's versatility, thanks to its smart accessory integration, makes it an unbeatable package. Discover features like Wi-Fi 6, optimized audio, and restored GPS for stunning video overlays. Don't just take our word for it, dive into the world of enhanced action capture. Ready to upgrade your gear? You can find links to buy the GoPro Hero 13 Black and its amazing accessories in the description below.